Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients to match the Piccadilly-style carrot souffle. Grate 2 cups of cooked carrots and set aside. Warm 1/2 cup milk to lukewarm and whisk into 3 eggs for volume. Cream 1/2 cup sugar with 1 tablespoon butter until fluffy. Combine 1/2 cup flour with 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoons salt. Fold into the egg mixture gently. Add the carrots and mix to homogeneous consistency, scraping the bowl so no dry pockets remain. For the characteristic airy texture, separate the 3 eggs and beat the whites to soft peaks. You should see defined but flexible peaks. Temper the yolks into the carrot and flour mixture, then add 1 tablespoon orange juice and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla for brightness. Fold the whipped egg whites into the batter in 3 additions using a spatula. Scoop from bottom up and turn the bowl to preserve air. Stop folding when streaks disappear to maintain maximum loft in the final souffle. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9-inch baking dish with 1 tablespoon butter or nonstick spray. Pour the batter into the prepared dish and smooth the top. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until the center is set and a toothpick comes out clean. Let the souffle cool for 10 minutes so the structure stabilizes, then slice into 6 to 8 portions. Serve warm or at room temperature, optionally dusted with powdered sugar or a light drizzle of orange syrup for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.